the last assignment is so creating a simple website. Okay, you just connect to the internet, mobile internet. You just join through mobile. Okay, so where is our last assignment is to creating the simple website. Okay, so you forget about you don't know anything or something like that. So you no need to worry because nowadays the coding become very easy. Why? Because if you just go for the chat GPT and it will give the what you can say all the code. So in the JavaScript, I want to open my code editor code dot enter. My assignment is I need to create a header to a registration first login form like that. So I don't want, at least I have to try. So how to do this one? Right click, index 6.html. It is take us some time because it is going to be initiate my packages, whatever the default packages I am assigning. So that is it is going to be assigned here. First is what? This is the outer body I need to create. This is the home, about us, contact, something, one more thing, career, something like that. So I need to create a list. Okay. So now, uh, how to create a list? So we have a one thing called a unordered list. So just go for the a document. Yeah, still it is initialization. Okay, it's came. So now right click, open with the live server. Okay, nothing is there. So I want to add a H H2 tag. Welcome to JavaScript or anything. My website. Save it. Go to here. So my website. So I want to create a. I don't want to look for a more design, but just I want to create a skeleton of the this page. So I need a four section amount. So for that, I need a list. So before that, I will remove everything. So I will need a list. So how to do this one? So you will the li anchor tag hash home. Home copy control V. Home about us something gallery and the contact us about you know no need to worry that one. Okay, you just remove this one. If you don't want, you just remove this one. Save it. We'll go here. Where is my browser. So this is how it will looks. So I want to apply some color here. How to apply color? A style, a background color, some alias blue. Save it. We'll go for here. So this is a one thing. Now I want to write a style for this one. So how to write a style for this one? So in the header section, style, UL, open a list, style type, none. So I don't want any style. So that's why this is a all style gone. So earlier it is bullet, right? This is gone. So now a margin. Margin means what? Creating a space between the element and the outer body. Margin is a 0 pixel, and padding means what? Creating a space. Save it. Will go here. So it is created like this. So then I want a in the display inline flex. See how it is created. It is created like this: home, about us, gallery, contact us. So I want to write a some border for this one. So how to write a border for individual list item? For the UL, this style is applied, but I want to write a style for the individual element. So li open close brace. So border 1 pixel solid. So light color I will use. Save it, run it. See, here it is a border is set. So I want to create a space between each other. How to create a space? By using a padding means creating a space between the content and all. Content and the border. So I will make a 10 pixel. Save it. See, this is how it will look. Okay, so then I want to create a margin because the website should be up to here. So how to do this one? Background color. I will use a antique. Save it, run it. See. So then I want to set the width. Width is around 1200 pixel. Save it, run it. So you can 1200 pixel. If you want to make a full screen, I will go for a 1600 pixel. Save it. So this is how you are going to be write it. Okay. So if you want to set the logo and all everything, you are going to. So you want to this should be right side. So we have one property called a float. We already discussed in the last section. Okay. Some people who are going for the freshly, you feel confused. No worries. Save it, run it. Yeah, this is going to float. So what I will do, I will just take a control X. Okay, individual I need to write a float. So this is a simple. So I don't want to write all those things because I can set this space and this space. I need to clear that one, but no worries as of now. So I will do. The next is what? After list we have a forms. Okay, so we have two forms, form 1, form 2. So now I will take a form input type equals to text, name equals to username, value equals to something what? Okay, no need a value as of now. So we'll add a break. The next input is a password, name equals to password, break. Then button login. Just a minute. Sorry. Okay, so you have created a this form. Input type is text, password is password, button is button. So this is how it is going to be created. So this is how it looks now. So I want to I want a two forms, right? So how to take a two forms? Copy and paste it. So this will add as a login form, and this one is a register form. In the registration, username and password, and I will add a one more property called the input type equals to email and name equals to email. Okay, save it. We'll add a br means a bracket tag. So register, save it. We'll go here. Okay, so these are all the two forms are there. So I need to write a some sort of a CSS for this one. Okay, so for this, I will write a one. First, I will write for this forum. So how to write a form CSS? So I will just right click. I will check here only. So in the browser also you can able to write it, but it is only available for reloading the page. Okay, so this is the one possibility is there. So now I want to write for this h2 tag. Okay, or else for the form a margin. Margin means what? Aligning okay, just I will show you. Margin top is a 10 pixel, okay, and top is 10 pixel, and right is something 30 pixel, and bottom is the 100 pixel, and left is something around what is this one, uh, 300 pixel, sorry, margin right 300 pixel, 400 pixel. Got it. What is happening here now? Here it is happening the alignment of this one. So this is a margin means what? It is going to be created between the top. So this is the top right side, bottom left, it is going to be create a space. Okay, because I want these two form in the one row. For that purpose, what I want to do, I will not give a margin, because if I give a margin means same, it will overlap. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇದು ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಚ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ CSS for this one, for the input property. So for this, so margin all direction, top, right, bottom, left, 20 pixel. Okay, and padding will be 10 pixel. Okay, so how the design is changing, you just see here. And uh, something font size is something larger or a medium I will keep. Okay, so this is a, somewhat looks good. So what I will do, I will just copy here. Control C. If I reload means it will go. So what I will do, I will go here. I will just add here. So just write a style and add here. So how it looks? It looks good. Remaining it's not good. So how to do? I want to. I need to write for all those things means it is taking the extra space. So for that, I will do one thing. I will write a one class name. What is the class name? Dot input class, open close brace, control V, save it. I will just add a class name here. The class name, what is the class name here? E class name na ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. Control V, save it. The class name, the class name. Andre, I have written a class for, okay, I have written one X class. You can give input class, or if you give X, anything it will take. So I have defined a class. I have defined these properties. Margin should be 20 pixel, padding should be 10 pixel, font size will be medium. So I am just mentioning a class here. Save it. We'll go here. It's so for remaining what I will do, I will go here. So just I will add a class name here. Class name, the input class. See how it looks. This is how it looking, and this how it looks. It looks good, right? Same thing I will do for a remaining registration form also. I will go here. I will go here. I will go here. Save it. Run it. Okay. So how it looks now? Earlier, just I will remove this one. What is it? So this class I will just comment it. Control forward slash is a comment, and if I do know, so how it looks, which looks very bad and very basic. So just you added a some sort of a CSS. Control forward slash and comment, save it, run it. How it looks? Now it looks good. And I want to do some CSS for a button also. So I will check here on the right click, do inspect. Okay. So here you have to click on this one. So write a CSS. The width will be 200 pixel. So I don't want a 200 pixel. I will need a 100 pixel. And height will be 50 pixel. Okay. So then a margin. So it is a left aligning. So I need to at least align a right or center, something like that. So for that margin left, 100 pixel. So 100 pixel is it is right aligned. So what I will do, 40 pixel or else 50 pixel, no, 60 pixel, not centered, 70 pixel, okay, centered. Okay, so then I want to apply the color for the text, right? So color will be, first we'll set for the background color. Okay, for the button I will set the background color. See, you can choose whichever you want. So I want a coral. So if you want a light colors, you just go for light blue, light coral, light cyan, something like that. Okay, I will take a which one? Which one? Okay, I will take this one. Okay, and I will apply a font size for the font size of a for the which font you want. Inside the login is a font is there. No, you just observe that which font, larger, smaller, login, extra small. So I will go for the large. Okay, how this button looks and how this button looks. This looks good, right? So I will copy this one, uh, drag and select this one, Control C, and reload means again it will be same as. So I will go here and I will add a style for this one. Style, Control V. Save it, run it, close this one. See, this button looks good. This button is not looking good. Why so in the sense? So I have written a inline CSS. So what I will do, I will remove this one. I will take a dot button class open close brace, paste it. So I have created a style and I am going to be add a style for a every button. Class name button, save it. If you see here, it looks like this. For the register also, I will use a same class name. What is the class name? Button class name. Control V, save it. We'll go here. Okay, so now it looks good, somewhat looks good. Okay, I can write this one all those things because when you're writing those you will get confused. So just I am writing so whatever the possibility for easy for you guys. Okay, so this is the input, something like that. The next is what, for the form open close brace, sorry, open close brace, display, inline flex, save it, run it. See how it looks now. Uh, because why it's looking like this in sense, inline flex means it is going to be displayed like this. Okay, so at least if you try for this one, no, so then it is a complete of assignment. What I will do, I will do for a div, save it. See here what happens. So as per our assignment, so this is how it looks now. So how to do this for the this one? So for this, I will right click. So it is taking a block level element, right? So for this, color, So you can give any color like this. I will go for the dark blue login form, and padding will be 20 pixel each. Okay, so if you want to fix this one, how to do this one? So simple for this one is the, so just control X, control V, control X, save it, run it. Okay, so you want to create a space between this one, means how to do this one? So just select here. You need to select the form here. You just select here, margin left is a 300 pixel. Okay, so for this I will go here, a style, margin left is a, I will make a 400 pixel. Save it, will go here. So here it is there. So this one I will align here. So for the second form, I will write a style around a 600 pixel. Margin left 600 pixel. Save it, will go here. Okay, so this is how it will work. Simple. So I can write a more CSS on that one. At least if you would have been tried this, so this is more enough. Why CSS is more important? If you just see here, this is the CSS part, right? So just select all, control forward slash mint, comment. Comments means it is no use, just it is displaying, but it is not affecting or a no use or a disabled. So this is how it looks now. So just I have added a CSS here. So it looks somewhat good, earlier better than earlier. So this is a login form and this is the a registration form. Okay, so fine. So at least try to do. I am going to be share the recorded video of this one. You just try to do, and we are going to cover some of the JavaScript concept, and we are going to be close today. Okay, the next is what? So we have a tutorial content, and from we have started a JavaScript. Okay, so what is a JavaScript and what and all we have learned here. The last session is we have learned about what is a string and our string length. So string as an object we have learned. So next what we are going to do? So next we are going to go for the string methods. Okay, so these are all the very important topics. So whenever this is for the interview purpose also, interview purpose also, and your job purpose also, interview purpose also, your life purpose also. So you should be very confident on these things. Okay, so many people they have still have a confusion like that. Okay, okay, I am understanding. I have a confusion. I'm not able to understand. Yes, initially, it will happens like this. If you do practice, no, so then aramse you can do all those things. So this is not for only you guys. Whenever I started learning this one, same feeling I was having. The first one is what a string length. We are going to be write some of the string methods. Okay, what is a string method? So just I want to go here. I want to create a. So this is the website file. You just work on it. Okay, you will get to know how to design a website. Then I want to add a one more thing, index7.html. Okay, so then doc, save it. Okay, so we are going to be start with the JavaScript, sorry, JavaScript string functions. So I will go for H2 string functions. So why it is important? See, this is why it is important in the sense, if you just go here, if you search for the Wikipedia, okay, let's say this is the Wikipedia. So you are going to find the search function, right? Something like that. English. Control F. So Control F, what it is doing? This is the string search. So this is written with the basic this string search functionality only. ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾನು ಅಮೇರಿಕನ್ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಮೇರಿಕನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ ಕೌಂಟು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. So this is the string and this is the string and a string. Okay. So this is how it will be the one string method I am telling. So if you just ask for the Puneet Rajkumar. Okay. So this data is coming. So I want to search for something called something control F. I am going to be go here. Something I will search for the Milana. So this is the one film in the 2000 they have released. Okay. So next is the what is this one? Something called a Bhagyavanta. See, if I entered a wrong name, it is not going to be shown here. If I entered a correct name, it is going to show. So Bhagyavanta. So this is how it is giving itself by the a search keyword. So that is called a string. What is a string or a text search? So this is a string is there. So I am going to be search here. So I am not telling that completely a string example only. ಇದು ಒಂದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಹೌ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Okay, I will how to write a JavaScript. So it is should be inside a script tag. Let text equals to. So I will take a one string. How to define a string? Within a double quote or within a single quote. Okay. So now A B C D. Okay. Z. So this is a my text. Everybody know this one. Okay. A B C D. Everybody know. So I need to print the length. So how to print the length? Document dot get. Okay. Document dot write of what is the text contains now? The text contains A to Z. So just I will right click. We'll go here and where is this one? Sorry. We'll go here. I will just change the 6 to 7. Run it. See, A to Z it is going to be print. But I want to find the length. So how to find the length? Text dot the length. See what are all the methods? Is there automatically it will come. You don't need to type. Okay. See here. One more thing you can observe here. You no need to write a full code here. Automatically it will give. So just I will need to write a document DOCUMENT. I am not writing. So first I will go here DOC. So it is automatically it will come. So document dot write. See, just I type it WR automatically it will come. Just hit enter bracket. So what I need to print? Text. So text it is going to be print a whole text. But I want a length. See, I will just type it LE. So just automatically it will come. So these are all the what you can say different methods. So length is a one method. It is going to be find the actual length. How many characters are there in the alphabets? So 26. So 26 it is. So now the next we are going to discuss with the I have a string. I need to take a some part. For that, so I will just add a one more string. Let so we can't define a same let variable. If I define means it is telling that you cannot redeclare a variable with a text or any same variable name. So just I will do text one equals to I will take some what we can say BMW uh, Audi Bugatti. See, I don't know exact spelling, so let's. So this is how this is the one car is there. So we have some string methods now. What are the string methods here? The string method is so there are three major: a slice, substring, substr. Okay. The first one is a slice. The slice extracts the part of the string and returns the extracted part of the new string. So this is a my string. Okay, this is a one string is there. I want to slice the only this part of the string and store into another variable. So this is called a slice method. Okay, so now here what we are going to do? So we are going to be slice the string. The first one is what? Let slice the text. So this is what? This is a one more variable equals to where to slice the this text. I need to text one dot slice. Okay, so just I will give some random number initially. So I will just add 1, 2, 3, 4. After 5 to 12. Save it. So this is the text. It contains the BMW Audi Bugatti, and I am going to take a one more variable. So that variable I want to store the sliced text from the text one. So text one is here. I am going to slice means what? What is a mango slice? You have one mango, you are going to be cut into a piece, so that is called a slice. Same thing, I have a three cars here, I want a one car name. So text one is containing this text, and slice is the method, it is going to be slice this one from the where the fifth and to 12. What is the fifth? It is the index. Let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5. So like that. So I will just make a 4 here, save it, run it, will go here. So I need to print, right? So this is the text, it contains the three cars, and I want to slice one of the car, and the a sliced car will be stored to here. So now I want to, sorry, how to print? Using a document dot write of the sliced text. Save it. We'll go here. See here. AUDIB is there. So AUDI. So how many characters? From the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 to 8 I will do. Save it, run it. 9. So RD it is printing. So how it is printing? So from the text one, I am going to be slice from the index from the 4 and here. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. From the fourth index, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So here you might find a, okay, I will show here. This is the first character, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is going to be start with a fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So that's why here it is taking the space as well. If I remove space here, if you see here, so the space is removed. AUDI. The comma is also coming here. So comma is why coming? Because we have removed a space here. So I will added again a space here. So save it. The comma is gone and here it is there. Okay, the slice means what? What is a mango slice? You have a mango, you are going to be cut into a slices. Piece 1, piece 2, piece 3 like that. So you are going to be pick that a mango slice. So that is called a slice method. So you can do reverse also. So that is possible in the slice method. So there is a one more thing is that I don't want a two parameters. I want to pass only one parameter. So how to let slicer text one equals to, so what is that? Text one dot, I want only this one. From where it is going to be start, from where it is going to be start ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ 4 ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ document dot write of save it. See here, I want to print this one. We'll go here. See, first one is RD. From the RD Bukati it is printing. So I want it is showing in the same line. So if you don't want to show in the same line, how to do this one? So here just in the document dot write, add a double quote here and add a plus sign. Plus means attachment or a concatenation. So add a something br tag. uh, what it is? It is printing the slicer a text method, and here also add a double quote here, concatenation. So add a br tag. Br means break tag. The slice method with a one parameter. Why one parameter? I am not passing a from where to where, but I am passing only from here. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು one method, that is a two parameter. From ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, that is a one parameter. Okay, something an example. ಈಗ ಮೈಸೂರು ಟು, ಇದೊಂದು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈಸೂರು ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರುವರೆಗೂ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ. ಇದು ಬರೀ ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಆ ತರ. So save it. We will go here. See here. The slice method, slice text method ordinal print ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ because we are passing the two parameters. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ. The slice text one method, I am going to be slice from where? From where? From the RD or Bugatti. So you want to pass a one more method, one more car. What is this one? That is the uh, Ferrari. One more vehicle, whether it is a bike or car. See, from the RD Bugatti, Ferrari, Bentley. So this is how it is going to be print. Okay, so like that we have a so many string methods. We are going to be work on more tomorrow. See, no worries. Many people will feel like that. Okay.